with Asia. We about to go look at her new house because she's moving out here with me.
This girl.
We about to go see
potential.
Asia, you moving?
Potential. I am moving. I don't know if I'm moving out here.
You are. We can go out to eat. We can go wine tasting. I don't know where. If not, we can just do it at my house or your house. Your house, because it'll be the new house. I'm so excited for her to move out here, guys. Look what she got me.
You deserve every word of this.
Dog mom shit. Maybe mine's is different. I feel loved. They understand. She understands my love that I have with Nola. So we'll tune back in when we get to Asia house.
Potential.
Asia.
The potential house. We're coming to see the potential house.
No, we're gonna go see her house.
Potential house.
And she over here like, they better not come see my house.
This house is far as...
No, it's not. It's like 8 minutes from me.
My headphones?
Which means you're like 18 minutes from the freeway. Not that bad. We're about to see Asia house. We're going to her front door. You know it snows out here, girl. She's knocking at her door. Yeah, I think you do. Like, here's another angle. So this is a front door, and then she has like a living space in there. Maybe that can be like a loft area or a game room, a man cave, a woman cave, I don't know. And then if you turn this way, I think this is called a dining area. I think, I don't know the right terminology, but yeah, here we have this. This is a kitchen. Island is super cute or whatever. Super cute. I don't know about this part though. See, this is the laundry room. What's over here? I think this is the bedroom. This is cute. Asia can totally take off those blinds though, because that's not cute. I don't like it. And then here we are. We're gonna walk through this area. This is the bathroom. This looks pretty kind of small, but it does have like his and her sink, which is A1. Cause she got a man. Hey y'all, here I am. Hey. What else? Oh, okay, this plant's cute. And then you have a shower and then the tub. This is a vibe, and it comes with a window. It comes with a window. There's a window with a little palm tree, you know? And this closet, bro, is really big. Look at this. Let me give you the effects. This closet is big. I can't wait till she sees this part of the house. What's over here? Oh, this is the toilet. It's by itself. Is there a shower in there? No. Well, duh, Monique, you just looked at the shower. Shower's right here. I'm thinking about my house. What else? I don't like the floors though. How many rooms? Okay, this is the bathroom number 2. Oh, it's his and hers again. That's cute. Okay, bathroom. Then this is the tub and the sink. Asia, you got his and hers in like both of the bathrooms.
I know his and hers. Girl, this is a guest bathroom.
But it's 2 sinks, right?
Come on, his and hers.
Because it's 2 sinks, no?
Yeah, but this is a guest bathroom.
Oh. Well, if it's a couple, this is bedroom number 2. Nice size, nice size. And here's the closet. You know, my friends is buying houses. This is dope. I'm loving it. This is bedroom number 3. I'm losing count. Same, I think it's the same size. Same type of closet. Okay, I'm losing. Oh wait, this is 4. Bedroom number 4. Okay, she about to have some babies. 3 babies on the way. So that's 4 bedrooms. And we have, what is this? I think this is a closet. You can put towels and stuff. And nice little hallway. Artwork. And then she has a place to put the TV. I think this is the living room. I think, or yeah, I don't know. Then she has a fireplace because it gets cold out here. Super duper cold. And then she has her backyard where Nola can come run and play when she babysit. Just need some grass, that's all. This is nice. Then she has like a little walk out from her bedroom, her master bedroom. She can walk out into her backyard. She can have a garden over here somewhere or whatever. This is cute. Asia, you like this one? You like the tub, huh?
Right. What'd you say, Monique?
Do you like the tub?
Overall, I like it.
I thought it was gonna be bigger. Did you?
Yeah, they definitely knew the angles. Even the shower part, they knew the angle. I mean, this is nice.
I thought it was just gonna be bigger though.
Exactly. From the pictures, it looks bigger. But this is nice. I like it. I don't know if I like it or not. It's just the distance.
But then if you get in the bathtub, you have a little palm tree to look at.
Girl, did y'all hear what she said?
What? You
If
do.
you get in the bath, you got a little palm tree to look at. Look at this damn tree.
You got a view.
Monique,
She got a view. She got a view.
I love that. I love the countertop though. This is nice.
Alright. Bye guys. Y'all see the house. So we're leaving Asia's house. It was nice. I didn't like the floors though. Asia didn't like them either though. We'll get her opinion when she gets in the car. So Asia, how did you like your house?
Well, that's not my house, but overall, I like the house. I think it's a beautiful house, but I don't know if it's for me. I'm not getting with this distance.
Oh my god. Just get over that. Let's just find another open house.
But even the distance of like getting here, like from the freeway, the streets,
Well,
it's
here
too deserty.
So Asia looked at the house. Now she just shooting me out. I'm just kidding. She has to go to her man.
Yes, I do.
I'm gonna get one of those one day.
You will. We do double dates.
Yeah, he's coming.
Claim it.
We were supposed to go to Chili's and get a cocktail. But
Don't
I'm
look
gonna
at me.
go back in the house and make some lychee.
Oh, did you find it?
No, I'm about to go to the store right now.
Oh, okay.
Well, not right. Well, I should know. I know it's locked up. Well, I'm about to go to the store and get some lychee. She's about to go see her man. And when I'm gonna see you again?
You told me. I said we could do breakfast on Thursday, maybe.
Okay, maybe breakfast on Thursday because I'm not going to work.
But we gonna take shots tonight?
Oh yeah, on FaceTime for you're still gonna get on?
Yeah.
Oh, Jamel too. Oh, I wish I had a boo. Okay. Well, me and Nola will be joining. All right. Say bye now, Asia.
Bye.
So I'm about to go to Stater's and go get me some ingredients to make a lychee so I can make a cocktail tonight and relax. Asia's leaving me. We about to go make a drink though. We about to go make a drink though. Bye. Okay, let's go to Stater's and make a cocktail. Okay, hey guys, so last we checked, I was going to the store so I can make a lychee, and Stater's don't sell that. This guy who worked there, he told me I had to buy that at like an Asian store, and there is no nearby Asian stores by me, so we're gonna have to put that on a pause because I ain't going far to go get that right now. So if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs this video up, subscribe, and leave a comment, whatever, all that. Yeah, so thank y'all, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. We almost at Christmas. Thank you, God.